This is the third video of our AI image generation masterclass series. In this video, I'll show you how can you generate handwritten notes using generative AI and which can be utilized in multiple different purposes. We all use handwritten notes to memorize certain topics, right? So let me show you very quickly what I'm talking about. You can see these are some of the handwritten notes I generated using Google Gemini, and I'll show you in this video how can you generate. You can see these are the notes it generated. It looks very crisp, and it's also comes with some of the annotation, some of the circling, any of the topics, some of the doodle arts, everything, all those things are there. And definitely it will help you to remember certain things. In case you are a professional also, sometime if you like to maintain certain things in the handwritten format, so you can utilize the similar prompt and you can fine tune based on your requirement. Now let me show you very quickly. So currently I'm in Google Gemini, and if I come to a new chat and then I show you how to do it. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll click on tools and then I'll click on create images. Now, based on your plan, whatever you are using, currently I'm in a free plan. It's prompting me to upgrade to the next level of the paid plans, but I'm using a free plan and I'll show you this method using free plan only. So only thing what I have done as of now that I selected image generation. I already had this prompt copied. You can see I'm asking for a handwritten study note about solar system. You can change this particular topic based on your requirement. You can type anything here. Second thing, I'm also asking use a lined paper, also use yellow neon marker. All those things I have mentioned here. If you have any specific requirement, if you want to highlight in a specific color, if you want to add certain things or components, that also you can mention here. So let me click on this particular button, submit, and it will start generating that particular handwritten note. Now, this is customizable, right? You are just getting the idea that how can you do it, and then based on the requirement, you can fine tune the prompt. In fact, you can also ask Gemini that you have maybe 4 or 5 requirements, and so that it can give you the right prompt which can be utilized to generate this kind of an handwritten note. So this is the way you can plan. And after this image will get generated, I will show you certain another method. Currently it's generating, let it finish, and after that I'll show you how can you stitch all those images together and you can utilize in a structured way. You can see this is the image it generated. It also mentioned the citations from where it got all these notes. Now if I click on it, you can see this is the quality of this image. If I download, then it will get downloaded. Let me show you the downloaded version. This is the image it generated. Look at it. Look at the components, look at the finishing, everything. This will definitely help you to remember certain points very prominently. Now let me show you how can you use these images and stitch it together so that you can maybe generate a PDF of 10 pager, 20 pager, whatever number of this kind of handwritten note you are going to generate, and you will be able to utilize. If I now come here and I open Canva, I'll show you one method here. I'll just use one of my existing document, and there I'll make a copy. I'll open and then I'll show you what to do here. I'll just delete these contents, and here this is a clean slate. Now what I can do, I can bring this particular image here, and this is the way I can structure. Now number of images you are going to get, you just add pages here, add those particular images, and once this is done, go to share, click on download and export it as PDF. Now you can change the size and other things in Canva, so those are easy. So this is one part. Another final part, you can see there is one watermark here. While it's not that visible, but that is available here. So, and this comes whenever you generate something using Google Nano Banana or any of the Gemini product, right? So this particular watermark comes. Earlier I recorded another video where I shown how can I use Google Nano Banana and generate images but without any watermark. You can check out this video, there I shown this particular method in detail.